Snakey. Children, are you scared of snakes? Then, let's make a snake with which you can play. Cut the given pastel sheet in a circle shape of about 5-inch diameter. Draw circular lines with the pencil up to the center of the paper and make a mouth shape at the center. Make zigzag spots to show snake-like skin and paste silver glitter as shown in the picture. Cut the paper along with circular line and make eyes, mouth as shown. Your snakey is ready to play.